Okay, so today we're going to go over how I do a 2-layer glitter vinyl t-shirt. So first things first, I've already cut my big design. It says Queen of Hearts. Gonna take, and this is the center part of my heart. I'm going to remove the excess vinyl. This is my favorite pick in the world. I'm gonna take and remove the center. So now I have it all laid out. Now, one of the things I'm gonna do is, because as I said, you cannot layer glitter over glitter. You have to put glitter beside glitter. So the easiest way to do this is, I already found my center mark. I'm gonna take and remove the red layer and place it with the silver layer. So, and it goes in like a jigsaw puzzle. Doesn't take much effort, and it goes really fast. So, let's go ahead and remove the bigger heart layer. And you want to be careful when you're removing it so you don't break any of the pieces, especially like, see how that's got some little detail in it? You don't want to break your pieces. So, start at the bottom corner. And lay your vinyl into the design, smoothing down as you go. So as you can see, now I've got a 2-layer glitter design, and it fits perfectly together with no issues. So I had a lot of comments yesterday about my tool. This is just a piece of coroplast, which is a type of sign vinyl, cut down to, as I said, about 4 inches wide. It has a center mark, and then it also has marks on either side 3 inches away, because that's where you start your left or right chest. It's cut 16 inches wide because my heat press is 16 inches by 20. So I'm gonna lay it up here on the top 2 corners. And as I said, I've already found my center mark on here. So I'm gonna pull this on right here. Press it down on the shirt. Now when you're doing glitter vinyl, and this is Siser glitter vinyl in silver and red, your temperature is going to be set at 330 degrees on a medium to heavy pressure, and you're going to leave it on for about 10 seconds. So while that's heating, I had a lot of questions also about what type of heat press this is. This is a Hotronix Air Fusion. Love this machine. So as you can see, that is stuck on there. Again, save your leftover. You can use it for when you do prints. Recover it with your Teflon sheet. Repress down. I do the second one for about 15 seconds. I like to make sure everything's nice and sealed so nothing's going to come up in the wash. Because for the most part, especially when you're doing a cotton shirt, you don't have to worry about overheating if you're using the right temperature. So that's done. And if you take a look, you can see how my collar is off the heat press and my sleeves are off the heat press. Now, if I had my collar or my sleeve seams too far on here, I would take and use a Teflon pillow underneath, so that way the seams aren't getting in the way, so that way it has a chance to have a good bond. So there you go.